Now guys, I think we've been through 2 hours so far in the flight. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, don't have your break in the services to let the crew grab something to eat. Please use this time to stretch your legs and use the lavatories. And a further PA be made later on the flight of the next service. That's a big plane.
It's only for it's chilly. It's chilly.
Chilly, yeah.
It's chilly.
Yeah.
It's nice. Yeah. In winter, for example, right now, this is 30, 31, 32.
Hours.
10 hours flying.
Yeah.
Wow. Long distance. So we have first room is 6117. Is that right?
Yes, 6117. Yeah.
Jacuzzi right here.
Oh wow.
Mini bar, beer, water, soft drinks. You have it here. Remember, everything you use from here. They restock this every day, and it's part of the service.
Oh, excellent.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Full
Right.
service menu, open 24/7. The service.
Okay.
Air conditioner. 618 is the temperature.
Beds.
Nice. Beautiful.
Safe. Steamer, extra blanket.
How you doing, guys? Tender Talks back in the cut. Yo, this is crazy, man. So currently in Mexico, in Cancun, in the riviera side, you know. So literally, this is the room, and just doing a room tour now, you know. Literally, you know, just came here, had some, you know, dinner already. So here in the room, right? So you just, you know, enter straight through the door here, and ooh, just look at this. This is the little room service bar. Get in here. So literally, you can order room service if you don't want the guy to come in. You just leave your food over there. Cool. So you enter, greeted by a little mirror over here. What's good, guys? Get in here. This is the bathroom slash walking-in closet room as well. Can you believe we got a walk-in closet? Mind myself there. But literally get all the stuff here. All the stuff here. You know, I just came from a 10-hour flight, so if I'm sounding a little bit funny, forgive me, guys. I'm kind of tired. So yeah, this is the room here. You get, you know, your big, you know, mirror, 2 sinks, boom, boom. His, hers, whatever you want to call it. Shower head there. I guess you're on full blast. And guess what? We also got Bluetooth speakers linked up in here. So you already know we better be lit. While we're showering. Got the toilets right here. Everything's so cool, man. You like literally close yourself with this door here. This room's just insane, man. Like, you have no idea, man. Right. It's not old, guys. You thought that was old? The bathroom is a part of it. So this is the main bedroom. As you can see here. All this, guys, is included. Your minibar is free. Also, you get also a 24/7 room service in the room. And this I can order food from the app if I want. Instantly, if I want. And we got the Haven at the Haven Hotel, guys. That's where I'm at right now. And you see outside there is already a jacuzzi waiting for your boy. Got 2 seats over there on the outside. So it's already looking awesome-tacular, as you can see. And that's the best way I can pronounce it. I like the little designs they've got here with this little pots here. It's very interesting. I'm gonna expose that one there. Anyway, this is me. Got my own jacuzzi. Nice sweet views. The room down below, you get like a swim out room, and that's cool and whatnot, but I got a jacuzzi, man, and look at them views up there. You ain't messing with it. Not so much to really see because of the green grass, but you know, it's still chilled, it's still cool, and I like it. So this is gonna be the room for the next 7 days. I hope you enjoyed this room tour, guys, and the travel vlog slash. You know, this is only just day 1. We only just got here from a 10-hour flight from the UK. So right now in the UK, I think it's probably like 2-3 a.m. So my mind is kind of like a little bit on sleep mode. It's really confusing because when the day starts here in the UK, the day is ending, you know, for some reason. Anyway, that's how it is. And we're in Cancun, Mexico. Yes, sir. So guys, it's now day 2. Just, you know, checking out what's in the place. As you can see, you know, this is the hotel, the Haven Riviera. We're gonna have a quick look at the beach. What we're doing right now. This is a beautiful beach. Oh, whoa, whoa. There's a little reptile that just popped out. Whoa. That freaked me out a little bit, no gonna lie. But no, it's beautiful, man. As you can see, that is the beach, yo. You can see there's a little bit of the seaweed